Hello and welcome to Juristily. Today we will be talking about CSR, corporate social responsibility, and the labor rights during the pandemic.
Impact of such enterprises and their operations on the society through their principles and values is what creates the basis. Corporate social responsibility that provides to give back to the society, which provides an opportunity for such companies and enterprises to grow and establish themselves. It not only brings an important dimension to the global economy, but it also enhances the rights of the laborers, labor standards, and human rights in general. While it is the responsibility of the enterprise or the company to do proper utilization of the resources, it also plays an important role in being an agent to social change and bring the society forward in promoting better and sustainable development. Further, Justice Kuldeep Singh, also known as the Green Judge, observed that no one can allow economic growth and progress while harming the ecological system. This again puts the emphasis on CSR coming in place in the modern era. Indian legislations on labor rights have also enacted CSR in the various statutes such as the Payment of Wages Act 1936, the Minimum Wages Act 1948, and the Workers' Compensation Act 1923, being a few examples which help in harmonizing labor rights. COVID-19 pandemic increased the inequalities in the labor market, while it has increased the relevance of the 2030 agenda of sustainable development in order to bridge the inequalities of the labor market. To add on, ILO has come up with the concept of building back better as the central theme of sustainable development enterprise, bringing a major boost to the country as well as the labor reforms while aiding the employers, employees, and the government. Finally, I would like to conclude by saying that corporate social responsibility (CSR) and the labor rights during the pandemic have a long way to go, but with the given reforms and the concepts, we hope to bridge the gap sooner and bring economic and ecological sustainability and stability in the society.
Hoping that this video was helpful and informative. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.